Today, the Ethereum ETF trades. Is it a dump or pump? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Davinci Jeremy. I'm in a pipe 5x5, staying alive in New York, in the United States. I hope you guys are doing well here in the US. This thing is going to be going out later on. Right now it's 8:30 and I'm doing this live for my special guests who have signed up at DaVinciJ15.com. You could also watch this live as well, as I do it at 8:30 in the morning. I'll do this at 8:30 every morning, and whilst I'm here in the States, and then go back to the Dubai time, of course, once I head back to Dubai. So yeah, looking forward to seeing you guys. If you head over to DaVinciJ15.com, all right, links in the description below. All right, with that said, we're going to be going over some news, and then we're going to do some TA to show you how to trade this ETF move, right? How to survive this, because there's going to be volatility. No ifs, ands, or buts about that. And so if you're interested in trading it, you can do so by heading over to ByBit.DaVinciJ15.com. Link is in the description below. So let's go over some degen wallets and stuff like that. Waffles. Wow. I don't know if Waffles qualifies as degen, because we're building so many cool things with Waffles coin, right? That, eventually we're going to provide a lot of services, because we've already started with Waffles. So let's see how this thing goes. It's already pumped heavily, right? And it wants to go even further here. You see that yesterday's volume was like massive. Just that it seems like somebody's just wants to, sell a bunch of Waffles. They don't want to hold for the $1 billion market cap. They want to give it away now. Well, that's your opportunity, right? To get some Waffles on a low, because there is no trajectory other than the $1 billion market cap for us and beyond. Okay, we're getting there. The same with Orc. Orc is taking a rocket ship there, right? I haven't talked about it in a while, right? Because I want to dampen the price so I could get some more, but you guys just kept buying. What can I do? So now it's time for it to consolidate, right? We had a little bit of a red day yesterday, and yeah, so I'm looking to pick up a little bit at the time right now, because yeah, we're going to take this thing to the moon. Yes. Wow. Orc, we have I want you to know that we have buyers. This guy is committed. We don't know who he is yet, but we're going to find out. He spent $1.6 million on Orc. We have 300,000 of liquidity added in. If you do not see the writing on the wall, well, you could just watch and not participate. I wouldn't want to do that if I were you. With that said, let's get on with the news. Ethereum ETF finally starts trading, well, actually today in New York time. We're going to be talking about what to expect and what we're going to do about it on our trades. Grayscale shifts $1 billion in Ethereum to Coinbase ahead of the US ETF trading debut. It's because they know that, hey, you might as well take our Ethereum because we're going to have to sell it anyway. So here you go. You could have it. Yeah, because they're charging, lots of fees and so forth. Meme coins are a top performing narrative this year, and they will continue to do so. So what are you waiting for? And Solana is going to lead the way. Why? Because as much as people can use meme coins on Ethereum, right? They don't want to pay $2 to buy anything. They want to pay, for transactions. They want to pay pennies. And so that's why Solana will lead the way in the meme coin saga. But real money is on Ethereum. Spot ETF are set to trade Tuesday, right? Here's what it means for Ethereum blockchain, right? These guys going, spot ETF exchange trade funds are set to begin trading on Tuesday. That's today. Crypto enthusiasts are hopeful that it will broaden investors' base for Ethereum. a blockchain technology many argue has far wider use case than Bitcoin. I agree with that, but it's not stronger than Bitcoin because it can be taken down by government at any time because of its design, right? And the way they manage updates and so forth. The ETFs will invest directly in Ether, which is the cryptocurrencies used in the Ethereum network. Okay, there are already ETH or ETFs that track futures contracts, but these are the first to track spot Ether. Okay, so futures contracts, right? The futures contracts are BS anyways. You know what? Everybody thinks that futures contracts are so bad that you have to understand, it is basically all other commodities, right? When you buy a futures contract, when it expires, you get paid in the commodity that you are supposed to get. This is why oil went negative, because there was no place to store oil, right? When your contract expired, right? Back in 2020. Today, with Ethereum, if the contract expires, I don't care how much you got, you could have all the Ethereum contracts, which equate to every single Ethereum in the world. You're not getting a single cell Ethereum for those contracts. Just so you're clear on that. You're only getting dollars. And guess what that ETF will give you? Dollars too. All right, I'm going to be here to witness history, yes. All right, well, President Trump is going to be at the Nashville Bitcoin 2024 conference, and I'm going to be there. It's going to be awesome. We're going to try to interview Michael Saylor and Kathy Woods and quite a few other big names in the space. So looking forward to that. So check out Mr. M's podcast. We are going to be doing it on his channel. And so make sure you don't miss it out by not subscribing, because man, big names are showing up. Big names on Mr. M's podcast. Okay, well, look at that. I think there's somebody, legendary analysis, who said buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin was 114, talks about the future of Ethereum and Solana prices. Really? Who's that? Oh, damn. That's a cool article. Now you guys can read that. Links are in the description below. You can see this guy saying it shouldn't be too long before altcoins break out to the upside. Really? Yeah. That looks about solid analysis. Got waffles? Got orc? Just saying. All right. Elon Musk tweeted this out. Now, I want you guys to not dismiss this piece of information. It is a piece of information that if you do something about it, you will survive. And if you laugh at this, you will not. And whatever happens to you is what you deserve. What you deserve, right? Because you've been told and you ignore. Just like I told you about Bitcoin, just like I'm telling you about waffles and orc, and now I'm telling you this with Elon Musk, right? Telling you the same thing. The dollar is here. The result of this is, catastrophic, right? Meaning there's going to be fighting. There's going to be lots of upheaval, right? And you better be strong. You better be working out. You better be going to the gym. Better be learning how to fight and use a gun and all that kind of stuff, because things are going to get a little bit of chaos. Okay. Right? So you've been told. Now, if you go, whatever, you're just like doom and glimmer. I do nothing. That's your choice. All right. So we're going to show you some charts, right? You could trade this. ByBit.DaVinciJ15.com. ByBit.DaVinciJ15.com. Link is in the description below. Okay. Let's take a look at Bitcoin first. Bitcoin has reversed its upward action, and there is probably, now I'm looking at this, a little bit of a divergence probably happened. No, not yet. No. How about on 4 hour? Is there a divergence here? No. Wow. I could have swore there would have been. But maybe there's a little bit here. Let's see here. Yeah, a little bit. Right. From this one to this one. But it's not this one. This divergence I don't really like. So I would like to see a divergence from here to there. And it's kind of weak. It is weak. It's a weak divergence. So I'm not going to count this. I'm going to look for other reasons why we could be breaking down. Maybe breaking trend lines. Yeah, there we go. We could be breaking down with the breaking trend lines because we've broken with just lots of touch points here. And yeah, we have actually tried to retest that, almost retest that touch points. I would say this is a chance to short Bitcoin here. Be careful. It likes to come back and wipe your butt and then go down. So just so you know, I would look for that and not jump into a short so quickly. As for Ethereum, we did jump into a long. What do we do here? I think we're going to move our stops to break even. If Ethereum explodes, we get lucky and maybe we can get it up here, but they didn't want to do that. So chances are we're rolling over right now. So I would suggest we stop to break even or just a little bit of profit and see what happens in the day. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'm going to be doing a meetup today, meeting up with some fans and stuff like that. Yeah, I know it was a little bit, there was a fee to this one because, there's not enough space. I didn't want to get too many people coming in. So yeah, thank you for joining. If you did make it out to the meetup, I really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.